Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick overview on what the AppExchange is in Salesforce. The AppExchange is really no different than any other mobile app store you can use to download apps on your phone. It's the place in Salesforce where admins and consultants can go to download ready to install solutions into your Salesforce orgs. There are thousands of packages available to download. A package acts as a bundle of apps, tabs, and objects. These packages help us extend or build upon functionality in our Salesforce orgs. To navigate to the App Exchange, we'll start from the setup homepage. In the quick find box, we'll type in App Exchange. App Exchange is one word. Click on App Exchange Marketplace. So from here, you can search from this pop-up window, or you can also click on this App Exchange website. That's what I typically do. I just open it up in another window. So we'll click on that. So from here, you can see that there's various tabs at the top: recommended for you, solutions by type, product collection. So for sales and service cloud, marketing cloud, industry collection. So industry collection, you can look up any industry that you work in or apps related to a certain industry. The consultants tab allows you to find consultants to work on various projects. It also helps you find developers. And then this Learn tab is really just a way for you to learn more about the App Exchange and the Trailblazer community. So just to give you a quick example of how you can download an app from the App Exchange, I'm going to go up to this search box and type in dashboards. From here, you can see that it returns 765 results for apps. You can see when the latest release was, what the rating is, and if it's a free or paid app. You can also filter by any of these categories on the left. For today, I'm just going to download the Salesforce adoption dashboards. If we click on this, as you can see, it's a free app. The rating's fairly high. There's 545 reviews. The latest release was a couple years ago. And if we scroll down, it gives highlights of what we're downloading. So relevant user login history. It really is to measure adoption of Salesforce among your users. The description also goes over what's included in the package. So 42 reports, 6 custom fields, 3 dashboards, 1 dashboard folder, 1 report folder. And then at the bottom, it tells you this package can be leveraged with other AppExchange adoption dashboard packages. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up and then click on Get It Now. So this is where you would select your email that's associated with your Salesforce account. I'm going to go ahead and do mine. And then after that, I'm going to click on Install in Production. So after you clicked on Install in Production, you likely got another pop-up that wanted you to confirm. All you needed to do is click the checkbox and then confirm the installation. Once you click that button, it would have brought you to here where you're going to log into your Salesforce org. So I'm going to click Log In. One thing to note, when I logged into my Salesforce org, you need to log into the org in which that you want to download the package for. So I would have logged in using my username for the org that I wanted this Salesforce adoption dashboard package. For this package, I'm going to install for all users and then click Install. So after a minute or two, you'll get this message, installation complete. We're just going to click Done. After clicking Done, it should have brought you to this installed packages page where you can see that the Salesforce adoption dashboard package is now installed. If we navigate up to the app launcher and then we click on, or we can just type in sales and click sales. From here, if we navigate to dashboards and click on that tab, go to all folders. As you can see, the Salesforce adoption dashboards folder is available. We'll click on that. And then these are the 3 dashboards that come with that package. If we click on the first one, user adoption, we won't have much data in this org because this is just a playground with a couple users and very little test data. As you can see, it just has my user, highest number of logins, 16. Each of these dashboard components gives you different adoption data that comes with that managed package, gives you the active Salesforce users in the org, all user logins, the last 14 days. And each of these components has an underlying report, and those reports came with the package as well. So the dashboards, the reports, everything comes when you install that package. So that's all I have for this video. The purpose of this video was to introduce you to the AppExchange and show you how to install a package into your Salesforce org. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you give it a like. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.